entire trunk is all speakers. Okay guys, so cool little pop-up here we found in downtown Tokyo from none other than Bingo Sports. So this is sort of the reveal of an art car Koenigsegg Regera. So you can see this interesting looking wrap on it. It's got like all these sort of diamond patterns and hexagons on it. It's really cool. But it's just another Regera, so it's always cool to see all the carbon fiber accents. And then down below, you can see there, I'm pretty sure all of the gold parts around the wheel are actual solid gold. So, I mean, you wouldn't expect anything less. It's about like a $3 million car, so it's very, very cool. But yeah, the wrap is interesting. There's a lot going on with it. I don't know, what do you guys think? It's pretty interesting. It's very subtle though. And the coolest thing about the Regera is just seeing all the stuff in the back there. You can see that little slit there is actually the exhaust. It's got the Akrapovic on the side. The center is not actually the exhaust, so it actually comes out of that little blade right there. But it's really cool. You can see all the little bits through the rear bumper. Very cool. Always cool to check out another Koenigsegg. The fully active air wing there, you've got the ventilation, again, all finished in carbon fiber, so even with the art wrap, it's still exposed. And then you've got, of course, the iconic ghost back there on the Regera as well. Look at that, very sleek design. So we've seen a few Regeras now. This one's definitely the most unique, I would say, with the wrap on it. Just want to give a close-up of some of the finer details on the Regera. So you've got, obviously, Koenigsegg just sort of etched into the headlight casings there. And you've got this little fan down here. I'm not really sure what it is. You've got the Koenigsegg shield on it. I guess, yeah, I might just get rid of some condensation maybe in the headlight casings. Either way, pretty cool. Another interesting little detail there on the Regera. And there's a few other art cars that we can look at around here. Got the Callaway C7 Corvette Aero Wagon there. Again, some sort of interesting wrap and livery on it. But yeah, basically this would be like the Aston Martin Vanquish Zagato shooting brake, but in Chevrolet Corvette form. So based on the C7 obviously, and the guys at Callaway who've been doing stuff to Corvettes for a long time give it that shooting brake style. So it sort of looks like a station wagon at the back. And again, this sort of interesting matte black wrap to go with it from, I guess it's an artist they've collaborated with here. But I do love how we've got the exposed engine here, top of the hood, the huge supercharged Callaway V8. And you can see there's another Callaway Corvette back there, so I guess we're gonna have a look at that one too. So yeah, this art wrap is sort of a little more striking than the Regera and the Sport, or the Aero Wagon, whatever we want to call it, the other C7 Corvette, the red and the black. And then look at this, it's got all these little, I don't know what it looks like, oil or water drops on it. Pretty interesting, but again, it's cool. We've got these supercharged V8 exposed on the hood, and this one is definitely done up for the track. You got the bucket seats from Callaway, racing harnesses, roll cage in the back, and then you've got this fully adjustable GT wing on there, a little bit of a duckbill too. That is pretty cool looking actually. So you don't see too many Corvettes here in Japan, let alone modified ones. Always nice. We have one last art car to check out, and definitely the most eccentric one, the 992 GT3 Cup. So look at that, you've got this crazy sort of anime comic book design on it, and it stretches all across the car, all these different characters. It's really, really cool, and Bingo is actually going to be racing this car at Fuji Speedway in the GT3 Cup race. So they're accompanying Super GT. Very, very cool, but yeah, look at that. This is what I call an art car. So much going on with it. Can't even imagine how much time and effort went into designing this whole thing, and then completing the whole wrap process too. But, yeah, these 992 GT3 Cups are super, super wide as well. Really sick. Yeah, that one is very impressive. You already know. Got some mayhem going on back there. Back at Daikoku, Friday night, Yokohama. Should be some interesting stuff. As per usual, let's go see some crazy wild things. it is busy, and it's like almost 10 o'clock here. It's usually the police shut it down well before then, so we're getting pretty lucky here that it's even still open. Oh man, that's stupid. Nice little blue crew here, the S2000, the Voltex wing, and this is a pretty meaty looking R34, the blue on the white wheels. White wheels are always a winner. That is pretty damn sick. I do like that. Look at that, the K sound bands. So, yeah, I've seen K vans before, much bigger ones at different events, but never the little tiny K ones. So yeah, the entire trunk is all speakers, LEDs, all the mini stuff in the back too. And look at that thing, is just dumped. Oh my goodness. Never a dull moment at Daikoku. This is one of the cooler kits for sure for the R35. Varus Kamikaze R, so pretty much a GT build. Like you can see it's got the little wide fender arches, the carbon fiber hood, and just a ton of aero on the front. Like pretty much everything is different. Tow hook, and then it's got this awesome swan neck wing at the back, and then we shift around. I'll do a 360 actually. That's really nice. Like a top secret front lip on the bottom there too. Very nice. Getting all the classic JDM tuners here. Then flip around here. We've got the Liberty Walk posted up right there. Very nice. Always good to see. Gaijin tuned. I'm sure you guys all know what Gaijin means if you watch Tokyo Drift, so I guess foreigner owned. Swan neck wing again. Very cool. Look at this. So beautiful. The Suzuki Cappuccino. My favorite of the ABCK cars. So ABC consists of the AutoZam, the Beat, and the Cappuccino. And saw there has the turbo fans on it. I absolutely love that. The little duckbill spoiler. I did hear drive by too. It's got a great little exhaust on it. But what's so cool about the Cappuccino is you can take the sides off, turn it into a T-bar roof, or you can just take them all off and make it into a true convertible. It's such a sick little car. I don't know, Suzuki, you could remake this, and I think a lot of people would be pretty happy, but the old one's still pretty damn sick, and look how tiny it is compared to the R35 GTR there. Man, this thing must be a blast to drive around the city though, so sick. Oh, look at the Mazda 787B Tribute. And Miata. Oh my god, it's loud. Look at the fitment on the Miata. Man, that thing is loud. Here we go, nice clean FD on a classic JDM wheel. Got the gold RPF ones, look really good against the white body. Let's keep going. We have seen that Veilside RX-7 many places before. Tokyo Underground meet, also the warehouse meet too. So yeah, pretty much an identical version of the Tokyo Drift one. Always good to see. And we've definitely seen this R34 around a bunch too. Also the Tokyo Underground meets, but it's really nice, this sort of dark brown slam. It's got perfect fitment actually. That is absolutely mint the way he's put that together. It's got the Z-Tune hood on it as well. Bone stock Koenigsegg GTR. So about 300 grand sitting right there. The original two-door Skyline GTR. They did make a four-door before this, so this would be like the 71. I should check it out. It's got the Nismo seats in it too. Very cool. And then move down the line here. Look at that blue chrome R34 with the matching blue underglow straight out of 2001. That is very, very early 2000s. Old Celica, I believe. Yeah, 2000 GT Celica. Very nice. Oh, look at the arrow on the FT2. Man, look at the back of it. Like, the arches are huge on it. And you can see in the back, he stripped all the back seats out. It's just roll cage back there, fully gutted. And then look at the size of the titanium exhaust on this bad boy. Oh my, pretty big. Oh, slam trucks, guys. Right at the end. Got the cheap heat blasting. I don't think the copyright will pick that up. Oh man, these things are dumped. Hold on a second. Got the R33 slowing him down a bit. Get a back angle of the Chevy. Look at that bad boy there. Oh my. Underglow from the wheels. Someone's shooting off some crazy flames over there too. Yeah, it looks like people are heading out, and this is definitely going to get the cops because that's a police station right over there actually. So I'm sure they will come out of the hole right now. So that is probably a wrap here at Daikoku, guys.